How to add Do Not Disturb button on the menu bar for macOS Big Sur. If you wish to do this, go with the cursor on the top right Control Center icon. Click on the Control Center. Here you will see a list of options that you can control directly on the Mac. For you to add the Do Not Disturb button on the menu bar on macOS Big Sur, click on the Do Not Disturb zone and drag it on the menu bar where you wish to place it. Now you can get easy access to the Do Not Disturb command. You can easily activate or deactivate Do Not Disturb from the menu bar. Also, you can select the time for this option to be activated. What if you wish to change the place of the Do Not Disturb button or just remove it from the menu bar on macOS Big Sur? For you to move the icon or remove it, go again on the Control Center icon. Now click on the Do Not Disturb again, and when you try to drag it to the menu bar, it will disappear. You can now move it in another place or just remove it. This is how you add or remove the Do Not Disturb on macOS Big Sur. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.